Hi, Flipkart. So, I have one doubt actually. I have ordered one reverse camera for the for car night vision camera. I have ordered this item. Okay, so I got this is a updated. It's like a I got ordered, packed, shipped, and it's already I got it actually. Okay, maybe it will get updated within few minutes, but today's date is June 23rd 2011. Okay, this is an item and I got an order. This is the one. I think you can able to see what I have received. Full details. This is my address and payment details. 947. I'm trying to open. Okay. Surprise! I'm ordered actually reverse camera, but I have received gear knob. What I will do with this one? I have to play like this. Ding 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 ding. Actually, I order this one. Okay, I receive this one. Wow, fantastic job, Mr. Flipkart team. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Keep it up. Okay.